Isn't it crazy that right when some legislation that is pro crypto is about to get signed, markets begin to fall? And not just any market, it's the crypto market, right? If you guys pay attention, we talked about this in today's live trading session with the LPP team. Something just seemed odd. This morning, it wasn't just that there was some selling pressure, there was quick changes of direction. Like there were large positions being sold all at once and then being bought up right again, right? Crypto has been selling off since hitting highs of 121, and that was last night into this morning where it's been forming lower highs and lower lows. Now, let me make this very clear. Bitcoin is at a potential support. It is testing a major support at 117,000. If it finds a support here, and maybe there'll be enough hype that by the time that it gets signed, it can begin to recover. Let's make that very clear, right? I do believe that it can recover, right? Market's been super irrational, but something just seems off. And you guys let me know down in the comments section what you think. Crypto is acting incredibly bearish, and it's not able to find any support. It just seems like there's so much more selling pressure than there is buying pressure. Do you believe that it's the buy the rumors, sell the news? Now that this legislation is about to be officially signed at 2:30 p.m., so in about 1 hour and 30 minutes, this will be signed. Does that mean that this is a buy the rumors, sell the news? You guys let me know down below what you think. Or do you think that the market's just correcting a little bit, finding a support, and getting ready to recover once again? The reason I'm bringing this to your attention is I don't want you to be surprised or to feel like the rug gets pulled underneath you, right? If you are choosing to buy at these elevated levels, you need to respect the risk that comes with it. There's so much downside potential. It's not that it has to happen right now. It's that you can see that people are eager to take profits at these overbought levels. So just be cautious, just be calculated. I don't care if you're going long or going short. I don't trade crypto myself, but there's money to be made on both sides. And I just hope that you do your part in taking profits when it makes sense. Kind of like MSTR, right? It's an amazing Ponzi loop that pumps and then loses 50%. It pumps and then dumps. It pumps and then dumps. It's down 5% today as crypto begins to fall. If we look at Robinhood and we look at this on the week time frame, we could see its history. I don't know how many of you guys knew this, but Robinhood once pumped during the previous crypto run and then came crashing down to $6.80, where it traded here for about a year before it went to skyrocket again. Remember, there's nothing wrong with trading Robinhood at these levels, as long as you respect that they're elevated levels, that it doesn't make sense to hold and invest at these elevated levels, at least not in my opinion. It is incredibly risky. Knowing how much it can retrace, what do you expect to make? What's your profit potential versus your downside risk? That is all I'm bringing to your attention. Look out for yourself. It doesn't mean that you need to short. All it means is that at these elevated levels, I would not be afraid to take profits or to stay cash, to wait for an actual opportunity and a good deal to present itself. We talked about this a little bit in today's live trading session with the LPP team and just how things looked odd. It pumped up for no reason and it's nearly given it all back. I know for coin, I think it was up like 7 or 8% at one time. It was a beautiful bull trap and just, again, completely gave back all that it gained. In just the past few hours, it looks like coin is down 7%. So again, in a market full of greed, know when to take profits. Remember, this happened in 2021 leading into 2022 when they were trying to get you guys all to buy their NFTs. I feel like crypto always has a new gimmick that they're trying to sell you. Just remember, when you're in the green and everyone is hyping up crypto to this degree, in my opinion, it makes more sense to play it safe and take profits. I know it's boring, rather than you buying at these levels and then you end up bag holding all the way back down. So again, we'll see how this thing ages. As of right now, things still look bullish. We'll see at 2:30 if it gets signed, if it causes crypto to rally once again, or if it's a buy the rumor, sell the news. Remember, we're always looking out for beginners, not just talking about profit potential, but always taking risk into consideration. If you are someone that, again, is just getting started and you want to watch me trade live starting Monday, I trade live every single morning right at market open, and it's the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time like always. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.